Kohlkamp is very set in German roots, big heritage, and we have a lot of Germans in town. When I started this, I would try something, and I had a few select that I'd call and say, I'm going to bring you something, you try it and tell me, and they would be honest with me. Hi, I'm Sam. I'm the owner of the German Table in beautiful downtown Kohlkamp, Missouri. Love to have you come try some of our German comfort food made from scratch. We opened April of 2011. It has grown ever since I've opened. It has gotten bigger each year. On a good Friday, Saturday night, we can run 120 people through here a night. We just click right along now. The schnitzel. We do pork or chicken, and you can have it done 5 different ways. Today we're going to make jagerschnitzel, which is a beef wine stock with mushroom and garlic sauce on the top. It's going to be pork. It's going to be served with German potato salad on a bed of spaetzle, which is the noodle, and some rotkohl or red cabbage. A lot of people say, I don't know if there's anything German I'll eat, but it's a meat and potato and vegetable kind of meal. They just use a lot of sauerkraut, a lot of bacon, a lot of onion. That's the 3 staples that you're going to find in there. We hope you get a chance to come visit us in Kohlkamp, Missouri. Check out our little town and our German food, and kommt und Wala.